Hey, what is up guys, and welcome back. So now you can see that this is our store that is completely ready. So now we'll be working it with the professional way. We'll design our store the better way, and we'll customize it. So let's just go ahead, let's just log ourselves out, and you can see that we are totally done with this whole website. We already know about the page creation and everything, so we're not going to create about us page and these pages. These are already understand it to you, okay? You guys already know about them. So I'm just going to go to this right here. You can see I have created a subdomain. I have edited the configuration, and now I'm just going to hit run the installation to just work with my new WordPress website. So let's come here and let's add a site title at first. So the site title is going to be my professional e-commerce site. Okay, this is the site title. This is going so big, so I'm just gonna make it a little bit smaller. Professional e-commerce. Okay, and then we have the username, so I'm just gonna add the username right here and then the password. Okay, I also need to enter the email address and then install WordPress. So you can see this WordPress should be installed, and here we go. You can see this is done. I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna hit this, and I'm gonna hit login. So I'm gonna log myself in, and I'm gonna do the things that we always do. Like the first thing that you have to do, guys, is to change the permalink settings. So make sure to do that every time you install WordPress, because this is really important, and do not leave it. Otherwise, when you make some changes and then you try to do it, it might be a mess. Okay, so always try to make sure that you do change your permalinks on the very first time. So I'm just gonna go to the permalinks right here, and I'm gonna change this to my post name, and then I'm gonna go back to save changes, and now you can see that we're done. So I'm just gonna go ahead and let's have a look at our site. It would be the normal site that is the 2K17 themes that this is using. Okay, 2017, sorry. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna install a theme. Okay, and then we're gonna also work with the plugin. We're also gonna install some dummy data, so I'm just gonna show you how this is gonna work. Okay, so first of all, we have to go to themes right here, and we'll be moving on with Ocean WP again. Okay, so Ocean WP works great, and we're gonna design our website with Ocean WP. So I'm just gonna come here, I'm gonna search for Ocean WP. Okay, so we basically focus on two themes. Okay, that is Ocean WP and the Divi. So make sure that you just learn how both of them, and you will learn how to build a professional any type of website. So let's just go ahead, let's just hit activate, and you can see this theme should be activated. Now what we have to do is that we need to move to this one right here that says Elementor and Ocean Extra. I'm just gonna hit begin installing plugins. I'm going to select all the plugin, and I'm going to hit install right now. And let's hit apply, and this will be applied to both the plugins. You can see this is installing and activating both. Okay, so this is done. All the installation and activations has been completed. Now I'm going to go to the plugins right here, and I'm going to install the WooCommerce plugin, and we'll be moving on with the default setting. We don't have to work with the settings. You guys already know about the WooCommerce settings, so you can do work with it. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna search for WooCommerce right now, and I am just going to install this. So let's just hit install now, and this should be installed in a minute. So here we go. You can see I'm just gonna hit activate, and this would be activated. So let's wait till this is done. Here we go. You can see everything is done. What I'm going to do right now, I'm just going to use the default settings. I'm going to go to let's go. Okay, so I need to fill the address. So I'm just going to add anything right here, and let's hit let's go. So here we go. Now I have to work with the payment. So I'm just going to be using the default payment method. Okay, I'm just going to use the PayPal standard, and here is my email address. So I'm not going to search and enter this. Okay, now here I'm going to hit continue right now. Okay, and then we have the shipping tab. So let's just keep it default. So the shipping would be like costing would be $15, and this would be 25. Okay, I'm gonna come here, I'm gonna hit continue right now. So here we go. Okay, I'm gonna hit continue, and now here I want to just skip this step, and we're ready. Okay, so now I have to just hit return to your dashboard. Now what we need is that we need something that is some dummy products. So if you just have a look at our site, you're gonna see how our website is looking. So I'm gonna see this is how our website is looking. Okay, we have our store as well set up, but everything is not completely set up. You can see no products were found, and everything is basically messing. So what I'm gonna do right now, I am just going to install some products in here. So then we're going to work with the customization. So what we have to do is that we need to go with WooCommerce dummy data. Okay, this is the thing that you have to search. Okay, and this is the one, importing WooCommerce dummy data. You have to just click this link. I'm going to add this link in the Udemy section where you can grab this from the resources available section and you can open this up. Okay, and then we go down. This sample data for which is located in the WooCommerce folder. Download it from here. So I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to download this dummy data. Okay, this is the dummy data that we have right now. Okay, I want to download this. What I'm going to do, I'm just going to go back. I'm just going to right click here and I'm going to hit save link as. So it's going to save the link. Okay, let's wait till this gives the pop-up. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to hit this dummy data and this is saving on the desktop. So I'm just going to hit install and, oh, sorry, download, save. I'm going to come here. I'm going to come here and I'm going to hit dashboard right now. Okay, so installing the WooCommerce dummy data. So WordPress. Okay. Cool. Okay, let's just come here. Let's just go to the settings right here. And then we want to go to, sorry, tools. And then we want to go to import. Okay, so after clicking the import, we have to select WordPress. I'm going to hit this. Okay, this is done. I'm going to hit run importer. Okay, so this will run the importer. Okay, now I'm just going to drag this and drop it right here. Okay, and I'm going to hit upload file and import. So it's going to import all the things that we have, like WooCommerce products and also the things. So import author, Woo team, or create a new user with login name, or assign post to an existing user. So I'm just going to assign to myself. Okay, download and import all file attachments. This is important, to make sure that you click here and then you hit submit. So now you can see this will import the attachments as well, and everything will be up and running and our products will be there. So let's wait till everything is done. It's gonna take some time, like 1 minute or maybe 5 minutes, more than 5 minutes. It won't take more than 5 minutes, yes. Okay, and then when it will be done, I'll be back. I'm just pausing my video right now. Okay, you can see everything is done, and now let's have a look at our site. So I'm just going to go to visit store right now, and let's open this up in a new tab to see everything is up and running. And you can see every dummy data is right here, and this is totally up and running. Everything is coming here. Everything is totally awesome. And you can see that we have the pagination as well, so we can go to the new page as well. So you can see everything is coming. Okay, our website is totally up and running. And now we're going to design this page. So first of all, we have to design the home page because that is very crucial to our website. Okay, and then we're going to move forward. So you can see everything is up and running. Let's have a look at our categories as well, so that our categories looks good. Okay. Okay, we have clothing, we have hoodies, we have t-shirts, music, album, single, and posters. So everything is totally okay. Now what I'm going to do, I am just going to remove all these, okay? And now let's have a look at the designing of the page. So we're going to design this whole website, okay? And now you can see that we're totally done with the dummy data. We're done with the setting up the e-commerce site, okay? In the next video, we'll design this whole page, okay? We first have to move forward with the Elementor plugin, okay? And then we're going to design this. So stay tuned, guys, and in the next video, we'll be moving on with that. Goodbye.